action is in the books para dito sa 74th season of the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. And it was all National University. Maricar Nepomuceno leading the charge. Great setting also for NU, and Maricar showing variation in her attacks this year.
That's
so
right.
far.
A perfect start, like what I said, for the NU Lady Bulldogs, and Nepomuceno stayed most of the time in the front line. I don't remember a part that she moved back.
Oh, nga.
Or parang siya lagi yung nasa harap for the entirety of that first set. You've got Sante also attacking from the middle. She's got a couple of points from that position. 13 attacks for the NU Bulldogs and only 4 for UP. Blocking again dominated by NU, 2-0. Service aces, 2 for NU and 1 for the UP Lady Maroons. Unforced errors, crucial. 8 for UP. Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach that they were tight, they were structured, and that led to all those errors in that first set. 8 against only 1 error for NU.
Wow. And that's not a good way to start. A service error to give a free point to the already leading National University. Chu is back for UP. That is Lichelle Chu. And she commits that error. So 1 serving 0, Aganon on deck. Cuevas has had some questionable, faulty receptions here.
Combination again.
Pablo naman ang nakinabang doon. And really, yung tinatawag nila, Ian, ngayon, UP looks like they have their feet in the mud, so to speak, na parang napapako, hindi makagalaw, ano? Frozen.
Hindi makahakbang. And the NU Bulldogs look the opposite way. They're like so loose, they're enjoying.
Light.
Yeah, they're very active even after the ball, after they get the point. So, the preparations, that I was talking about during the off-season, now it comes into play, and you're going to see which team really prepared, who's not only physically prepared, but more importantly, mentally prepared going into this highly competitive level here in the UAP.
This is going to be a crazy year for the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. Believe us when we say that. Again, Cuevas with a misreception. Sante has also looked less awkward for National Youth this year. Oh, ito naman. Si Byron naman ang nagpakitang gilas doon.
Byron showed a lot of promise last year with the elevation she gets on those attacks, and that was a clean hit.
Coming off the bench pa yan last year, ano? Part of the starting 6. Aganon continues to serve. 4 serving 0. Great attack from Angeli.
One of those attacks that we never saw in the first set.
Fake by Henido. Angeli Araneta.
Against the double block.
And it is the setter, the new setter, Palad now. 1 serving 4 as we check in with Victor Lopez.
Thanks, Boom. Coach Vince actually told the girls that they need to watch their positioning. These are little minor adjustments that they have to make in order to play better. And also don't be in a rush to score. You got to be patient. The same effect happens when you play or when you rush to score. It all ends up as points anyway. So play patiently. Lastly, you girls have a lot of options to score and to defend. So try to make sure that you use all of them in order to get the W. Boom.
That's a great point by Coach. Thank you, Victor, because we've seen attacks from Byron, Pablo, Nepomuceno, Sante, paminsan-minsan si Aganon, sumusundot din dyan. So it's becoming really less predictable as Angeli Araneta scores again for UP.
Angeli this time hitting it down the line. And she's the only attacker in the front row really producing the points so far. And the thing is, they're able to set it to her, so that's a big plus compared to the first set that they had na halos puro underhand set. Ang binibigay ng Palad.
Ako naman yung down the line ni Nepomuceno. May accuracy na. Yan,
The power, the accuracy. And it's so tough to defend against Nepomuceno in that outside position. I want to see her go up against, the really strong blockers of the
LSU. Medyo kumapal na rin yung katawan niya ng bahagya. The off-season training and conditioning. They go back to her, left-handed. The tip, the adjustment. Ito yung kita na niya
The set was a bit too fast going to the antenna, so inunahan niya na with the left.
Yun yung sinasabi natin, ad-lib.
Oo.
Ad-lib na.
Laking bagay yung ganun.
Pag marunong ka, no? Great dig.
Solid
Oh,
dig.
solid dig. Oy, nagkagulo UP. At bala ng se.
Tawag doon, nagka-traffic.
No, not communicating. First technical timeout of the second set, courtesy of National University.
Introducing new Pond's White Beauty.